All right, welcome guys. Tuesday, another session of NQ live trading. I will be approaching some of these sessions a little bit late, which is probably a good thing. It probably saves us from getting trapped early on anyways. So I think that's actually pretty good thing. But I do have a few commitments outside of work, so I will be streaming a little bit later than normal. But yeah, nonetheless, let's see what we get today. I am looking for a long from here. I expect the market to start retracing from yesterday's move up. I expect a move down into this level. So this is the level I'll be looking to go long. Either I'll be going long here, or I'm going to be going long either for a sweep and then a move back up, or a higher low here. So that's the only two trades here today, guys. All right, that's the only thing I'm looking for. Anyways, guys, how are you guys all doing today? I really want to see SPX come and hit 69.24 today. I'd love a move down. Let's see, SPY's moving down, QQQ's moving down. How are we all? Hope you're all well. Hi Charlie, how you doing? Yep, it seems to go down. That is correct. We are breaking the lows. ES is a bit bullish. Let me see what's going on with ES today. Yeah, NQ is going down. Let's get some orders ready just in case this thing comes down pretty quick. Okay. Morning, Sab. Are you waiting? That's a good thing, man. Charlie, well done. 39. You guys on this screen. All right, so right now the NQ is sweeping these equal lows. So let's just get an order ready. Okay. Cool. All right. Okay, we're trying to. We just swept some lows here. That's the daily low. We just swept the daily low now. NQ's trying to move back to the upside. But I don't think this sell-off is done. I'm not going long here. I'm looking for a move down today. Let's move this. Yeah. Where's the VIX? Yeah, VIX is trying to move higher. All right. So I think ES will support from here and from here, and then it possibly will sweep, maybe. But there could be an SMT divergence at that point. NQ could be down here, and ES could make a higher low. So that's one thing to note. This order flow is really weird. Have we got any news today? Let's have a look. Okay, so ADP employment change today. I should have updated. All right, business inventories. What did the ADP come in? 6.5. What was the forecast? We don't know. Business optimism 99.3. Forecast 99.9. Retail sales month over month is 0%. Forecast is 0.5. Retail sales 2.4%. Prior was 3.3. So that is not a good sign. We got retail inventories, business inventories, so not really much on the news front. We got the NFP tomorrow, so yeah. Waiting patiently. I'm gonna wait patiently here for a clean setup. Don't want to be rushing a setup here. Yeah, NQ looks like it wants to keep going. It wants to keep coming down. That's exactly my thoughts. Got some low-hanging fruit liquidity right here. So this is gonna probably keep coming down. We still got all this liquidity down here. Some bulls are trying to step in here. You can see all the green on the tape. Yeah, some guys, some bulls are stepping in here, guys. They are stepping in. They might start squeezing some shorts here. Yeah. Yeah. That was an obvious one. I could see it directly from the tape, as you saw. As you saw there, I told you they were stepping in. You can see all the green buys on the tape. And now, yeah, they're gonna squeeze some of these late shorts. You can see all this massive negative delta here. It's probably gonna get squeezed out before coming down, or it's just gonna moon. No, I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna be maybe a difficult afternoon again. Yesterday I didn't get a single trade the whole day, which is nice though. You know, sometimes it's good not to trade. You know, not forcing a setup. But look at this yesterday. Look where NQ rejected from. Look at this thing. Basically from the previous week value area high. Just front run it by a few ticks. I'll show you guys. Yeah, look at this. Previous week value area high. Front run a few ticks. What's up, K-Doc? Good morning, good morning. They're squeezing some shorts out really heavily here. Really heavy delta, but getting stuck at the VWAP. See what's going on with Bitcoin. Pulling back massively. And again, smashed down now, but Bitcoin. I expect Bitcoin to come down here and then maybe move higher. Something like this. March April time frame. I think March April will be the bullish time frame for crypto. That's my guess. Yeah, this is on a moon mission now, guys. Yeah, those early longs gave away a lot of footprint as to what was about to happen next. Yeah, this is seriously oversold, isn't it? On a daily Bitcoin. Wow. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Yeah, I do. I do see 40k. Yeah. I think we come down here and maybe we get a big bounce. Everybody gets bullish March, April, and then June, summer we just chop and then probably bottom around 45 to 50k, and then the bull run probably starts again. I don't think this is the bottom. I'd be surprised if this is the bottom. I mean, it's one way of catching people out, isn't it? Because everybody's expecting the bottom in October. So yeah, it could be one of those where it just goes sideways for about 3-4 months and then just launches off from there. That's a possibility, but I think the highest probability is something like this. to get a bottom around maybe you know, July, August time, or most people are expecting October because of the 4-year cycle. But I think it's going to bottom sooner than October. I think it's going to catch people off, because even last time, you know, down here people were waiting for 10k, and they missed it. So I think this time everybody's waiting for October, because everybody knows the 4-year cycle. So I think it's going to do the opposite. It's going to probably bottom earlier than October. Look at this NQ right now. Damn. Wow. Wow. This is crazy. This is ridiculously bullish right now. Wow. Yeah, this is crazy, guys. Yeah. Doesn't fit the plan. Didn't fit my plan to trade this, but it's ridiculously bullish. This is insane. ES is going for new highs. This is ridiculous. Silver doing a little bit of red today. Silver. Silver could reach here and then roll over. I think gold might hit a new high. Something like this. ES is a monster. NQ is a monster right now. This is wild, guys. This is really wild. The whole 30-minute candle, opening candle, just turned around. It was so red, and now, yeah, we're not seeing that many times, where a 30-minute candle has gone from deep red to green. Usually, those first 15 minutes usually sets the direction. It's hard to, yeah, it's hard to say. Yeah, they're just squeezing those shorts at the moment. I think ES wants all-time highs. Yeah, I really do think ES wants all-time highs. That's what it looks like. Can NQ get above 435? That's the question. Yeah, now they're getting a small pullback. We've got a minute till the next 30-minute candle opens. Yeah, this is insanely bullish. Insanely bullish. There's hardly a direction, but this looks crazy bullish right now. NQ is a monster right now, guys. Yeah, I think it's going to power through these highs. There is a seller here, though. There is definitely a seller. He's not letting price go through. Yeah, there's definitely a seller here. He's trapping price. Yeah, I'd be careful if I was a bull here. In all honesty, I'd be very, very careful. As this could be a trap. Now, this is a bit weird the way this is moving. Very strange movement. At the highs here. Suspect. A bit suspect. There is a seller here. There's definitely a seller. He's not letting price move. Yeah, this might fall, guys. Be careful here if you're long. This has a chance of falling really hard. I'd rather just get a sweep of the highs, though, to be honest. This is not looking. Yeah, it's not looking too clever. Yeah, it does. It does seem a reversion, yeah. They keep absorbing. Yeah, it looks like they're going to double top this by the looks of it. Yeah, this looks bearish. The bulls are still holding. Maybe they're gonna pile driver through. Yeah, maybe they are. Here they come. Here come the bulls. Yeah, it wants to pop, says K-Dog. It does. Oof. Wow. Yeah, it's gonna keep going, isn't it? Wow. Yeah, this looks crazy. Yeah, boom. That's ES doing. Yeah, ES did the same. Yeah, ES is not far from all-time highs, guys. ES is not far from all-time highs. Yeah, that's right there. Damn. Not even a percent away. It's crawling its way there, though. Yeah, we got some gamma resistance right before the all-time highs on SPX. Well, this thing is silly strong right now on NQ. What about Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin's getting a little bit. NQ is insane right now. I think it's gonna keep going here. Okay, pulling back a bit. That was a lot of liquidity to fetch to the upside, though. Still, I'd be surprised if it leaves it behind. Up to 500s. So I'd be surprised if NQ leaves it behind. Yeah, it's in total squeeze mode. Shorts are just getting wrecked. Still going in cute. Yeah, let's see what it does after sweeping. Is it going to be the bull's turn now to get caught offside here? I don't think so, though. Maybe, who knows? Oof. Oh, wow. They're slamming this thing. They're slamming it. Oof. Wow. Yeah, this is a hard rejection. Damn. Wow, they got some longs trapped up there, haven't they? Wow. Wow, they've got a lot of longs trapped, guys. Yeah, they can really do some damage here. Oof, yeah, they've got him. Yeah, they've got him, guys. They've got him. We're at the VWAP. Can the VWAP support? Wow. Wow, this is crazy. Wow. Yeah, I told you. It needs to hold above previous week value area high. Otherwise, this thing could just go down again. I'd love nothing but a smash down. I'd love nothing more than that. Come on, give us a smash. Yeah, they've got him, guys. Yeah, they've got him. Slam it. Let's go. I'm just ordering some food, guys. Yeah, come on. Let's slam this thing. Give us a sec, guys. Finding support again. Yeah. Maybe it's gonna slam some shorts now, huh? Yeah, a really weird, ugly looking day today. Really ugly looking day. Probably worth another day to just sit out. It's not hitting our pivots. It's really not hitting our pivots. So yeah, can't really trade if it's not hitting the pivots. There's so much liquidity to the upside though. To 500s. So I'd be surprised if NQ doesn't go there. I really would. Like I said, yeah, I'd definitely be surprised. What's ES doing? Yeah, ES is a monster right now. Yeah, I would definitely, yeah, I would definitely be surprised. If NQ leaves all this liquidity behind. Yeah, getting bull again. Yeah, NQ's getting really bull again. So it's probably going to go for the highs now. That was probably a liquidation candle by the looks of it. Dropped some early, some late longs at the top there. They got really excited, really exuberant, and got trapped. Price came, smashed them straight down. But bulls better get out of here as well. I mean, they're getting, they're getting excited again here at the top. So they really gotta get out of here, because they might trap them again. Yeah. It might just pull down again. This is crazy. Bulls are struggling here. And look at this, yeah. They're taking it down. There's the trap. Oh, there you go. There's the trap. Bam. Smash straight down. Wow. Like I said, they needed to get out quick. They weren't doing it. Yeah, this might get smashed down now, guys. This might get smashed down straight. ES is trying to hold. They're trying to hold the VWAP. If it breaks the VWAP, I think this thing is toast. Yeah, they're trying to hold this VWAP. They're really trying to hold the VWAP. If they can't hold it, it's going to be toast. I'm telling you, this thing is going to go straight down to the lows. Moment of truth. Yeah, the bulls are defending though. The bulls are defending this. Yeah, aggressive defending. This is aggressive defending, guys. They're really defending this level. They're really desperate. The bulls are desperate here. Yeah, they're gonna defend it. They're definitely gonna defend this level. They're gonna defend the level, guys. Yeah, they're gonna defend the level. Here come the bulls again. Bitcoin's getting a bit of a bounce. Yeah, QQQ is getting stuck at 0 gamma. That's what it is. For that. I'd love for this thing to come down, but I'm not sure it's going to. Keeps holding VWAP, which is a very bullish sign here. Yeah, they're coming in aggressive again, the bulls. Really, really aggressive. Looks like garbage price action though for today, isn't it? Really garbage. I hope this sells off. Never bet against the bulls though. That's one thing I would say. Stock market is so bullish. This is why I favor long trades most of the times, because stock market is generally just such a bullish asset. It's crazy. All right, new 30-minute candle just opened. Looks like the bulls want blood here. They better start squeezing, otherwise this is gonna squeeze bulls. Bulls better get out of here. Yeah, bulls are stepping in here. Really, really aggressive. Oof, that is so aggressive. Wow. Yeah, the bulls are serious. The bulls are super serious here. Yeah, they're on a moon mission, guys. The bulls are on a serious moon mission here. Oof. Wow. Yeah, that liquidity at 500 is next, in my opinion. Here they go. I think they will do it in this 30-minute candle. Oof, getting stuck at the highs again. Getting stuck at the highs crazy. Yeah, there's a lot of bulls stuck up there. They gotta be careful again, I'm telling you. They could start slamming this again. Bulls really need to step on the tape here. Yeah, bulls really need to step on it. And they're really not. Yeah, they're stalling here, bulls. Bulls are stalling again, guys. Bulls are stalling. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be good right now. Yeah, this doesn't look good for bulls. It looks like they're trapped again. This is some real fucked up price action though. Not gonna lie. Yeah, this is some real fucked up shit. They're slamming it. They're chopping both bulls and bears in both directions. As soon as it starts looking bearish, bulls step back in. This is wild. Absolutely wild. This is fucking garbage price action, guys. Absolutely fucking garbage. RTY is going for the all-time highs, isn't it? Wow. Yeah, this is garbage, guys. This is real garbage, guys. It looks like they're gonna actually bring the price back down. This is crazy. This is a garbage price action, guys. It's a really real garbage price action. This is yeah, they're supporting the VWAP over and over again. Yeah, I'm gonna give it probably another 10 minutes here, guys. And then I'm probably gonna dip. This is really not worth trading. Yeah, this is not looking bullish. It's not looking bullish. Right. This consolidation is not looking bullish to me. I think this thing is gonna eventually fall. Well, it's probably gonna happen a little bit later today. Yeah, so this is, yeah, I don't know what they're doing here, guys. This is total garbage price action. Absolutely garbage. Looks like they want to go higher. I'm gonna give this another 5 minutes, guys, and probably gonna dip out from this. Doesn't look like we're gonna get an opportunity to buy the dip on a decent pivot. All it did is just strap the daily low and rips. Crazy. The VIX is falling. SPX is in no man's land right now. Yeah, look at this price action, guys. Look at this price action. And then, yeah, then it does that again. Gets to the highs and just dumps again. Look at this. What do you guys think? Is this the real dump now? Whatever it is anybody's guess. And again, bull step in. I think sooner rather than later, there will be a big expanding move after all this consolidation. You'd think this is going to break down with all this consolidation. That's what I would think. After all this consolidation, all these attempts to try and push price higher, I think this is going to be a bull trap, and they're going to knock this price down, take all these guys out like they did down here when I said there's a lot of shorts opening. Bull stepped in on the tape and completely squeezed them out. So that's what I think is going to happen again. They're forming this triangle. If you're a chart analyst, you'd say that's a bullish sign, right? I don't think it is. I would want if I'm gonna look to think for continuation higher, I wouldn't want this long of a consolidation. I'd be wanting a quick move out. This doesn't look bullish. Mark my words, this does not look bullish. Yeah, but they're bringing it down now. I'm looking for a 300-point sell-off. That's probably too much to ask for, to be honest, on a day like today. Especially with the non-farm tomorrow, non-farm payrolls and unemployment data. It's probably why we're seeing garbage price action, in all honesty. People are waiting for the news. Let's see what we've got tomorrow. We've got non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate. Then we've got jobless claims Thursday. Then we've got CPI. Yeah, so big data coming up next 3 days. So yeah, let's save our accounts. Live to fight another day. Yeah, guys, let the market do what it wants to do. I am bearish on this market today. I don't think this is a bullish pattern. I think the market is going to trade down. The only level I am interested in is down here and then down right at the previous day lows. Those are the only two levels I'm looking to long. I'm not looking to fiddle around here. I'm not interested. So I'm going to let the market do what it wants to do. I'm going to go out and probably do something else. In the meantime, there's no point sitting around and waiting for this market to give us a trade. It's going to take a while, even if it does come down here. But yeah, I think this market is going to come down. I do think it's going to come down today. But it's just going to take a little bit of time in doing so. Okay, we rejected of the previous week value area high, guys. Okay, very big level. Yeah, I don't think this is particularly bullish. So yeah, I'm gonna be waiting here and waiting here. So yeah, pretty shit day, unfortunately. But yesterday was also a pretty shit day. Yeah, but we can't really do much about that. I'm not gonna chase and get caught, sliced up in this. Rather just sit out and wait. Got 3 hopefully really good days with news next 3 days. So yeah, you can see that this is starting to break down. We're at the VWAP now. Yeah, I think they're gonna lose the VWAP now. Yeah, there you go. We're on it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, getting slammed. Getting slammed. Yep. That was not a bullish pattern, guys. Yeah, anybody who tells you that that's a bull flag or whatever bullshit they come up with, that's not it. A bull flag would be just a move higher, down, higher, down, higher, like that. There's a long period of consolidation. That's never a good sign. Yeah, this is falling off a cliff now. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, exactly, Charlie. There's nothing to trade here. Yeah, let the market do what it wants to do here. We're just gonna sit out. there's a possible trade from here to back up to there, but I'm not 100% confident with this one. There is a possibility of a trade from value area high. How much would that be? 320, probably about 40-50 point trade, maybe, perhaps. Then we do something like this. But yeah, if you were to take this, that's not an A+ trade for me. Not after a big period of consolidation like that. I don't think so. Anyways, the market's not even. Yeah, they're eating up the candle again. Yeah, I think best thing is to stay away, guys. Best thing is to stay away from this market right now. Go and do something else. Touch grass. Get on with your days. If you're in the United States, you know, still early over there. Yeah, if you're wanting to trade, just set an alert. See where the price is. If it hits, you know, come back. See if you like a long trade set from those levels. That's it from me, guys. I'm gonna get going here. I'm gonna get off the screen and go get something to eat. And yeah, go enjoy the evening. Do something else. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Back for NFP tomorrow on unemployment claims. So it should be a good one tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks. See you tomorrow. Bye.